When it comes to the world of martial arts, mastering the art of kicking is crucial. Your kicks serve as the primary form of attack and defense against your opponent, and being able to deliver an effective kick can make all the difference in the heat of battle. As a martial artist, you need to know which kicks are most effective and how to execute them with power and precision. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 most effective kicks in martial arts, giving you a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of kicking. 1. Front kick. The front kick is one of the most fundamental and effective kicks in martial arts. It involves lifting your knee up to your chest and then extending your leg outward to strike your opponent with the ball of your foot. The front kick is great for keeping distance between you and your opponent and can be used as an effective defensive tool. To execute this kick with power and accuracy, ensure your knee is lifted high enough and extend your leg to its full length, keeping your toes pointed upwards and your heel turned inwards slightly. Practice this kick and you'll soon master its effectiveness. 2. Sidekick. Another highly effective kick in martial arts is the sidekick. This kick involves extending your leg to the side as you rotate your hips, resulting in a powerful strike to your opponent's midsection. The side kick is a great offensive move that can knock your opponent off balance and provide you with an opening to follow up with further strikes. To perform this kick effectively, you need to practice your hip rotation and ensure your foot is fully extended at the point of impact. Strong abdominal muscles also come in handy for this kick, allowing you to execute it with speed and power. 3. Roundhouse kick. The roundhouse kick is one of the most iconic kicks in martial arts, often seen in movies and TV shows. This kick involves swinging your leg around to strike your opponent with the shin or top of your foot. The roundhouse kick is an excellent attack move, especially in situations where you need to close the distance between you and your opponent. To execute a powerful roundhouse kick, you need to turn your hips and pivot on your supporting foot. Practice your technique, and you'll learn to generate a lot of power with this kick. 4. Axe kick. The axe kick is a powerful kick that involves striking your opponent from above by bringing your leg up in the air and striking with the heel of your foot. This technique requires a lot of flexibility, power, and balance. To execute an effective axe kick, ensure your supporting leg is firmly planted, your knee is lifted high, and your leg is extended vertically as you strike downward with the heel of your foot. 5. Spinning back kick. The spinning back kick is a powerful and flashy kick that can knock your opponent off their feet if executed correctly. This kick involves jumping and spinning to strike your opponent with the heel of your back leg. To perform a successful spinning back kick, practice your mechanics to ensure the kick is executed in one smooth movement. Your technique, timing, and balance are all crucial for executing this kick effectively. Final words. Kicking is an essential skill in martial arts, and mastering the art of each kick requires hours of practice and dedication. By incorporating these top 5 effective kicks into your training regimen and mastering their techniques, you can elevate your martial arts skills to a whole new level. So, train hard and perfect your kick technique, and you'll be a force to be reckoned with on the mat.